Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a small bowl, put in 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Then add 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Add half a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Just give this a stir and give it a little mix. Now you want 3 cups of cold water, but for this part we just want to pour a little bit in and mix it until we just get a nice little paste. Now get a large size saucepan and get this paste and put it all in there. Now pour in the rest of the water. Turn the stove to medium heat. Now just stir this in. I'll keep stirring this until the mixture thickens. Now, as you can see, it's thickening now, looking good. I'll turn the heat down to low and add about a cup of tomato sauce, about 8 ounces. Now stir that in. Now this is ready. Now you can just use this in your favorite enchilada dish, or I like to actually use this as a dipping sauce. Yum, yum.